Di, I'm putting on the recording.
For 2 minutes, we will be silent and we pray for each and everybody in the nation, wishing happy Raksha Bandhan with a note of love, care, and trust to each one. A day of festive occasion, Raksha Bandhan. Though it is ritual, it is conventional that a sister tie a rakhi on the hand of a brother, and brother takes oath of taking care of sister's safety. But don't we think that this Raksha Bandhan is a knot which can be tied to oneself, to each and every workplace, to each and every individual in the nation and nation itself. Because we trust, we care, we love ourselves, and then all the family members, all our friends, all our relatives, our neighbors, and our workplace, our work. And today, on this festive occasion, we will be discussing about the family life, the work or the professional life, the balancing, the happiness, pleasure, success, what's not. Stay tuned. So once again, a very good morning from 3H family. Happy Raksha Bandhan to each and every person present here on the Zoom. And I would like to say that this day will be more amazing with more amazing people with us, Captain Manjula and Richa Mahindra. They both are very dynamic, personal and professional front. They are doing a lot for themselves, their family, and the nation. So we would love to have them here on this board, unique@Puchpate Zindagi. I would also like to welcome all the participants which are present here with the patience to bear us for their listening, and yes, with their warm exchange of smiles and thoughts. So thank you for being with us and welcome to this Word of Wonders. This 3H family is an organization which aims at helping and guiding individuals as if answering their problems about work, life skills, and management with 3H, that is head, heart, and health. It doesn't teach, just live its thought, and the intensity changes others. Love, respect, patience, good laws, and fair justice are the best instruments. It believes in working together and succeed with integrity. It develops education by empowering students, parents, and teachers socially, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and professionally through workshops, sessions, and training programs with a vision to create passion with compassion and more smiles. In 2007, it established with almost 50 members, those who want to learn, sing, and rock beyond books in 3 months to develop personal and spiritual skills with a mission, each one teach one. It has now risen to thousands, small steps of each member from different place and profession made it a big contribution in the field of humanity to create a difference in self and others' lives. With constant feedback and inspiration socially and globally, on social side, it seems as the world is its family with connections, cultivations, and contribution. Our learnings are beyond books and syllabus we enjoy from everywhere, games to cinema, outings and visiting Balwadis to bring smiles to them. Tiffin talks, rain clap, generator clap are often enjoyed. All are free to showcase their talents. Learning with music, mime and dance are used as therapies. Games like carom and snakes and ladders are enjoyed to learn risk factors, leadership and managing skill. SAM, that is stress anger management, mistake, cheese, boost, water drive, we enjoy the most. We prefer to connect rather to simply contact. A hearty welcomes to all of you in this world of wonders. Now, our today's guest, as I told you, that we have Captain Manjula Katoj, who is a soft skill trainer, fitness enthusiast, cyclist by passion, and runner by choice. Ambassador of one of the biggest women running initiative called Pinkathon, being led by the Iron Man, Milind Soman. As far as her family is concerned, her husband, Colonel Manish Rana, is a very dedicated nation builder, a warrior. His elder son, Ranvijay Singh Rana, is studying in class 12. Her younger son, Digvijay Singh Rana, is studying in class 8. She is blessed with very kind parents. Her father, Colonel R.C. Katoj, mother, Mrs. Swarna Katoj, who is a religious lady, brought up 3 daughters to be a lecturer, doctor, and army officer. So there are 3 sisters. Elder sister is a lecturer, second sister is a doctor, and she is the youngest in the family, an army officer. So big hand to Captain Manjula and her family. Thank you. We welcome you, Captain Manjula, here with your family at uniqueyou@Gujarati Zindagi. Besides Captain Manjula, we have with us Miss Richa Mahendra. She is a co-creator, Abundance at Fineys. She is today's guest of honor. Richa Mahendra is a seasonal professional with multi-dimensional experience in business strategies, HR marketing and sales, creativity and learning. Richa's essential features are many. She holds workshops. Some of her signature workshops are Chanakya, strategic workshop and business planning. The name Chanakya states about it. Beacon, leadership workshop. Power of I, team building and diversity management. Solve crucial conversation. Geo Dil Se, work-life integration. That's wonderful. Paradigm shift, leading remote and virtual teams. So this is some of her work and many others she will be telling us today. So we welcome you, Miss Richa Mahindra, on this platform. A big clap to you. So here we now begin with today's amazing session, lovely talks with our special guests, Captain Manjula and Richa Mahindra. So since Richa Mahindra ma'am, you are limelight, and I would like to listen from you about your Chanakya workshop, because this has, just given me an idea, a little idea of what type of a workshop it would be, because its name is Chanakya. But yes, more about it, I would like you to elaborate.
So first of all, let me thank you, Chanchal ma'am, and hello, Manjula ma'am and Angela. I think they are there on the this thing also. And
Hello, ma'am. Hello,
hi,
ma'am.
Rita. So, oh, lovely, well-mannered children. And Mr. Digvijay Singh Rana, Ragini ma'am, Fatma ma'am. All of you. So thank you for this opportunity. So Chanchal ma'am, you've picked out just the right workshop, and this is a workshop where we help businesses to create their strategic direction. And by strategic direction, I mean, first of all, we work on their mindset, because we work in two verticals, SMEs and corporates. And this workshop is designed largely for SMEs. And with SMEs, what really happens is that, they've come to a particular level. And all those practices that help them to come to this level may be the practices that prevent them from moving to the next level. And that is where we have to. So I'll share a very, very small story here, and I'm cognizant of the time, so I'll be very quick. So, once there was a palace, and there was a little there were 3 or 4 sentries that were posted. और तो किसी ने एक दिन डिसाइड किया पूछने के लिए दैट ये 4 सेंट्रीज यहाँ पे क्यों पोस्टेड हैं. Nobody knew the answer. So they went back to their supervisor, went back to the manager, they went back, and finally they got hold of somebody who had worked many, many years ago. और उसने बताया ये जो पैलेस था, यहाँ पे यहाँ की जो राजकुमारी थी, उसने एक छोटा सा पेड़ यहाँ पे उगाया था, छोटा सा sapling. And the king was worried. So Captain Katoch must be giving these examples in a training, so she's smiling. So king जो थे वो worried थे that जो घोड़े, और क्योंकि वो बिल्कुल थरोफेयर में था कि जो घोड़े और हाथी जब जाते हैं ये पेड़ ट्रैम्पल हो जाएगा, और ट्रैम्पल हो जाएगा तो राजकुमारी को बहुत दुख होगा. तो उन्होंने 4 संतरी वहां पे लग गए. राजकुमारी की शादी हो गई, महल छोड़ के चली गई, राजा मर गए, उसके बाद रॉयल्टी एज अ कॉन्सेप्ट खत्म हो गया, पर वो संतरी वहीं के वहीं रहे, बिकॉज नोबडी डिसाइडेड टू क्वेश्चन. So what we do in Chanakya, Chanchal ma'am, is we question their practices, their thought process, their leadership style, because like I said, वो एक level पे आए हैं because they've done something really good. But now to move to the next level, we introduce this workshop, and then we help them to create a strategic direction, right from creating the vision, mission, values, and then we break it down. Then we say, now create your 5-year plan, then create your 1-year plan, drill it down. So this is the workshop. Now, each of these words stands for something, but for that, you'll have to join my workshop. So I hold the baton back to you. And just one small thing that I'm sure Captain Manjula also does, and what we intend to do, as coaches and OD interventionalists, is that we help people to move towards, one, it is future focused, and we want them to make a, progressive and a positive shift, so that they are able to achieve their personal and professional goals. And, again, as trainers and coaches, हम आपको पढ़ा सकते हैं. अभी आप मेरा लैपटॉप खोलेंगे, I must be having thousands of presentations and another 1,000 games and another 1,000 training material. But हमारा idea ये होता है that we try to create self-awareness. Because when there is self-awareness, the person gets into a mode of self-accountability. और जिस दिन वो सेल्फ अकाउंटेबिलिटी आ जाती है, देन यू डोंट नीड एनीवन to move to the next level. So this is what we endeavor to do. And thank you once again, Chanchal ma'am, that you thought, that मैं लायक थी आपके forum में आने के लिए.
Ma'am,
Wonderful, Richa. Very nice.
it's actually pleasure to always listen from every individual, because there is some or the other thing very unique which we need to find out because it inspires oneself as well as all others, those who are here. Like what examples you just quoted might be somebody may know, but others might not be knowing. Even I just learn it today. So that's the better way to learn from each other. So thank you so much for being with us, and you gave your precious time here. And we want you to always be here with us. Thank you. So coming to Captain Manjula. Manjula ma'am, like I have gone through your session when you were there on August 15, that is 12th of August, though it was the occasion of 15th August. And I heard from you many things which you are doing in your professional and personal life, giving both, balancing your things. So we would like to hear from you. Like you have your son, you have two sons, your husband, and he's also in the same profession. Though you have taken a retirement, but still you are working in other fields. So how this comes to your mind that you must retire and then you must move to another shift? That we would like to hear from you.
Okay, so at the very outset, thank you so much, Chanchal, for having me aboard. And it's absolutely my pleasure and my honor to be here. And if we can get inspired by people like Richa, I'm really great to know you. And I'll keep in touch. I'll stay in touch with you. And it's good to get inspired by people and inspire. If you are able to inspire even a single person in one workshop, it is an achievement. I consider that workshop as a success. So coming back to your question, that what motivated me to join army and what motivated me to now retire. You know, my parents are not there in the Zoom meeting. I told them to be there because this is a festival season. So kisi ke brother aa rahe hain, my mother is sister of somebody. So a lot of chaos was there in the house. But then I belong to a family where we have a blend of tradition and modernization. So this blend, I feel it is very, very important, and it is very important part of, it has become very important part of my own life also, you know. I'm a colonel's daughter. So life may, and we are three sisters, as you have seen in the slideshow also. So parents always wanted their daughters to do something good in life. So all of us professionally, we are well qualified, everything. My elder sister is a lecturer, the other one is a doctor, and I was in the army. But as we were growing, तो पहले तो parents ने बोलना शुरू किया, you have to study hard, you have to work hard, you have to become something and all those things. But simultaneously, my mother is so smart that simultaneously she was grooming us to be women also. To be women also, I'll say. Why? Because my mother used to say कि चाहे एवरेस्ट में भी चढ़ जाओ, पर woman तो woman रहेगी. So as a woman of the society, it is my responsibility, not only responsibility, but it is my privilege, I'll say. It is my privilege to nurture children, firstly, get children into this world, which is only a woman's privilege. Men cannot do this. And once I have got two children on this earth, now it is my responsibility as a citizen also to groom them well. So as all these things were happening, my mother always used to tell ki chahe kuch bhi kar lo, ultimately you have to do all these things also, because I cannot, I cannot just leave my home like that. Let my children be whatever they are, and it is not a good thing if I am doing well in my life and my children are not getting proper education, they are not getting good manners. So those things are equally important. So starting, say, right from the beginning, we had this balance of modernization and traditional values. So this is the outcome of this. Yes, as a child, I always wanted to be an officer. That was my dream. I dreamt of that. I worked hard for that. I became an officer. And after that, yes, I wanted to devote time to my children, to my family, to my husband. So this is very, very important thing. So balance in life, as we say, madhyam margam, the balance in life is very important. And if you are able to do so many things together while balancing the life, this is the best thing, which is, which life can give you. So this is it.
Very, very rightly said that for a woman, it is very important that she should learn that how to balance her family life and the professional front as well. If she is a professional and you are doing it with great zeal, with all your devotion. So that's wonderful. Coming back to Richa ma'am. Richa ma'am, here is one more workshop. Dil se jiyo. So is it about personal growth or positive mindset or what? Can you please elaborate?
So I think you have a knack of picking out things that are connected to your program. So Jio Dilse is, it is a coaching intervention that we do for work-life balance. And to add on to Captain Katoch, and it was so wonderful the way she, brought in what her mother has done for her, and how. So this is a workshop where we try to identify 8 important elements of our life, which could be, starting with spiritual to religious to family, friends, future, finances, career. And then we take people through, a process where they try to internalize, okay, this is what I want to do in this. कई बार क्या होता है, I often hear people say that I want to help people, but I can't do it. I don't have the resources. So once again, we challenge the mindset. You can help people. There are so many ways that you can help people, which does not require any finances. It requires you to be more caring, and it requires some of your time. So first of all, we help people to establish and understand what they want to do. और सबकी life, सबकी journey अलग होती है. अगर आप सबको one size fits all नहीं कर सकते हैं. So you cannot prescribe that meditation. So everybody should meditate. I come across so many people who say, don't ever talk to me about meditation. Or there are atheists, जो भगवान में believe नहीं करते. So people have to, through this workshop, we again create that awareness for them that what are the 8 important elements of their life? What do they really want to do in all 8 of them? And where are they right now? So again, a journey where they create that, now what should I be doing to move to that level? So just yesterday, I had this very interesting coaching discussion with somebody, and both of them are very, very highly regarded professionals. And unke liye, who they are and what they're doing in their careers is a very big part of their identity. And right now they're staying in 2 different cities. The husband is working in Dubai and the wife is working in Delhi. So she said her thing was ki let me मैं घर खरीद लेती हूँ. So I probed deeper, So again, Captain Katoch, her family, the parents were always in army. So she said, इसलिए घर खरीद लेती हूँ कि one thing that I really missed while growing up was that we didn't have a stable place where we could stay. So as we went through the session, and this was a one-to-one session, not a workshop, as we went through the session, she finally, again through self-awareness, she realized that घर को मैं स्टेबिलिटी मान रही हूँ क्योंकि सब कहते हैं घर खरीद लो तो स्टेबिलिटी आ जाएगी. But actually what I need to do is that me and my husband need to align ourselves in our concept of stability. That, are we willing to now, one of us is willing to step back, so that we can actually give a stable growth to achieve. And again, these are questions. किसी के पास कोई answer नहीं होता है. Again, they may still go back and choose that no, for us the career is more important. So it is never this or that.
Absolutely, absolutely.
आप मुझे कैप्टन कटोच का नंबर जरूर दीजिएगा. मुझे ना एक बहुत जबरदस्त रिसोर्स पर्सन.
Richa, I was actually thinking the same thing. I'll take your number from Chanchal. I would like to connect to you. And thank you so much, Chanchal, that you have introduced me to Richa. And I'm actually feeling that my voice is echoing. Whatever you are saying, I'm thinking, I also say this. I also repeat this. So you are really echoing my sentiments.
And gentlemen, क्या होता है जो आर्मी वाले होते हैं ये बहुत बढ़िया ट्रेनर्स होते हैं. The reason is this because पूरे टाइम तो फौज लड़ नहीं रही होती है. So they have to think of various ways. How do you keep them engaged,
Human resource.
occupied,
Yeah.
mentally alert? तो जब ये training room में आ जाते हैं ना, the energy changes. So you must
Thank you
give
so
me
much.
a number because I need a.
I'll myself get connected to you, Richa. I'm really so impressed and inspired by you. I would like to connect to you. And thank you, Chanchal, for this, that she has got
No,
us both together.
I surely connect. This is a platform which actually believes in connections, in cultivations
Absolutely.
and contribution. So we do so. So don't worry, you two will be, means we three will be smiling together.
Wonderful.
It's okay. I'll do that. So coming back to Manjula ma'am. Manjula ma'am, like right now, Richa ma'am said about home, about stability. I just want to ask you, like many of the times we have heard about that people believe that if somebody get married, he or she is settled. What's your input here?
Chanchal, I think Richa has shortly answered this question. Only getting married or only buying a house is not what we call settlement. Settlement is here. When you are settled to a routine, even if my husband is staying away, but I know that mentally we are together, that is settlement. If you are married and staying under one roof, but your mind is not together, what you are thinking is not same, what you are planning is not of one kind, then you are not settled, even if you are staying under one roof. So, settlement is all in the mind. So, you have to align yourselves, align your emotions, align your sentiments, align your professional commitment, personal growth, everything you have to align. Then only you are settled, even if you are staying away. So, this is what, Richa, we were talking about army, that army life, mein, there is a lot of unsettled life is this, but then mentally they are very very settled because we are secured. If anything happens to me and my husband is there in the border, somebody is there to help me out, and then somebody can actually do all that which a husband was supposed to be doing. The whole unit is there, the whole cantonment is there, and whole Indian army is there to support me. And thankfully Indian army may not only till the time you are alive, it is after death also that our organization takes care of ourselves. So this is in true sense settlement, and not just staying under the roof is settlement.
And same it means for the family.
Absolutely,
Isn't
absolutely, absolutely.
it's not a
If your
group of
child is
people.
absolutely, if your child is staying with you, but he is not sharing his thoughts, what is happening in his school, what is happening in his college, or what is going on in his mind, then you are not settled. Then you are not staying together mentally. Physically, you might be staying together. So that is settlement. It's in the mind.
Very, very, very rightly framed and said. That's the reason I asked you this question again. Though Richa ma'am has put her inputs for
Yeah,
stability, but then
absolutely.
I asked you because people must listen to it that what is actually family meant for. It's nothing to stay together, and although 4, 5, 4, 3, whomsoever the members are, they are sitting together, but they are not listening, they are not sharing, they are not caring. So,
Absolutely.
what the family is. Okay, that's wonderful. Coming again to Richa ma'am. Richa ma'am, any moment of your life which actually always reminds you that you are the person who can hit sixes to every blow, you can make a glow. So that I would like to listen from you.
So, so Chanchal ma'am has a degree in asking difficult questions. Is one thing I've realized, and my compliments.
Oh no.
So,
Really, thank you for a
one thing I always feel that I am blessed. Whatever I have achieved, moderate or less, I have been given more than I deserve. And this I'm saying from the bottom of my heart.
Wonderful.
There is always a being above me who's always given me more than what I've done.
So good.
And then, yeah, so that is one thing. The second very important thing is support. So, when I was growing up, the way my parents brought me up, and like, when Captain Manjula was saying, you know, they gave me an upbringing where I could share everything. Even the first person I had a crush on, I shared with my dad. And when we were in 12th standard, he took us out for New Year and I got my first glass of red wine. So they created an enabling environment where I did not have to hide and yes, there were times when I did not do well. There was a time in my life when I did not want to study, but I don't remember them rejecting me so they were always there. And then when I wanted to study, I remember, when I wanted to get into MBA, it was a very premium institute. My mother, I mean, she was teaching as the head of the department in the university, and now she runs her own school. She used to make notes for me. She went out and reached out to her ex-students who had done MBA from that institute, and she kept on gathering knowledge for me so that I could. So they empowered me. Then my husband, so when I was working initially, I used to work in marketing. So late nights, parties, people around you are drinking, smoking, everything is happening, but he always had his full confidence. And when I started my own organization, I was at a very senior level, and at a very senior level in telecom. So uh, naturally, the salary level was very high. But when I told him that I don't want to do this, I want to do something of my own, he did not question me even for a minute, though it was a huge package, And even till date in my consulting practice, I'm not able to earn what I was earning in 2013, but the kind of satisfaction, the difference I'm able to make. So this is the background, Chanchal ma'am. And one of the things that has really, so it's not a sixer, but I still feel with the grace of God and all the support I have, establishing my consulting practice is one thing that has reaffirmed my faith in myself. Again, this may be a very regular thing for many people, having my daughter, because I had undergone a prolonged treatment of infertility. And in fact, we were going for adoption. And but in that, I had a thought that we will adopt a girl and we will adopt from a government agency, because उस time पे पुणे वगैरह में agencies आ गई थी जो DNA mapping करती थी, ये करती थी. But we were of the belief that अगर करना है, then at least go all the way. So I went to my gynecologist and I asked her, because government organizations ask for a certificate of fertility. So I asked her, I said, give me a certificate of fertility. She says, no, I want you to try again. I said, no, I'm mentally very prepared to adopt a child. And so she said, it's not about that. She says, I'll have something unfulfilled in me. I said, I've been treated and I went for the best treatments, most expensive treatment. But she said, yeah, I want to try. And third month, I conceived. So again, when you ask me, these are things that really make me believe that anything that we set our mind out to, we can achieve as human beings. Because so many people had started consulting firms with me who were more senior to me, more well equipped, but God has really been kind. So I think it was a slightly longish answer and went all over the place, but really wanted to share my gratitude.
Wonderful.
No, this is must. It's never a lengthy one. If you are in gratitude, if you are in yourself, it's never a lengthy, ma'am. And this forum is meant for, heart to heart connection.
Absolutely.
So that's wonderful what you said.
Wonderful.
And above all salary packages, above all money, it's your contentment, your love, your satisfaction.
Absolutely.
What makes you glow. So my answer I have got. You got number of glows, maybe in terms of, might be in terms of, these salary packages, but the glow, if I can see on your face, that's what you made your love with your work. So wonderful listening to you, Richa ma'am, and we can understand what you said, each and every word, it means a lot to you, and trust me, it means a lot to me and maybe all other person, those who are listening. And Captain Manjula, coming to our ending words, I'm just asking you about, once again, the reason for your smile, your glow, the way you wonderfully put up your things, and even eager to share. Because once we had a session on 12, but then I found that you are eager to come and share more about what you do right now. After retirement, you are doing some different things. So we
Yeah.
would like to know from you what you do in your life.
Okay. So again, as I said before, Richa, you are actually echoing my answers. I don't know how, but I can actually relate to you. What Richa said, had I been in army, I would have been a colonel today. And my package, you can well imagine how much a colonel not only earns, but other perks and privileges
Lots
that
of
we get.
perks, the respect, the
Absolutely, absolutely. That is beyond imagination. And what I'm getting today is what Richa said is hardly, it's peanuts. But the kind of satisfaction and happiness and the smile and the glow that I get now, it is also beyond imagination. So there is absolutely no comparison between monetary things and the satisfaction that comes from within. That is very important. And another thing, I was right from my childhood, I was like that. I was never master of one. I was always jack of all trades, always, always. मैं एक ही चीज करती जाऊं तो I generally get bored. As I said कि officer बनना था, uniform पहनी थी, that I did. I achieved my aim. But what after that? What after that? I wanted to do different things. In different things, I wanted to get married also. I wanted to have children also. I want to grow them up also, bring them up also. Now I'm one of the ambassadors of India's biggest women running initiative. It is called Pinkathon. Pink is the color for the women. So this is Pinkathon. And it is led by Ironman Milan Soman. All of us are aware who Milan Soman is. So it is led by Milan Soman. So here we are motivating women to run. Now, when I say run, run doesn't mean only run. Run is it symbolizes your effect on your health. Like you should focus on your health also. If we see some 10, 15, 20 years back, if we see our mothers, they were not much bothered about their health. Bas family ka karna hai, husband ka, bacche ka, ghar ka kaam and this that, but they were not thinking about their own health. But this Pinkathon tells the women, motivates to women to think about their health and do something for the sake of their health. So this is the biggest women running society, you can say. Here we motivate women to run, to cycle. I do cycling also, so I'm a passionate runner and a cyclist too. So in a stretch I can do 100 kilometers of cycling. I can do running. I am a marathoner. So we are motivating others also. And one more thing I'll tell you, in Pinkathon, generally 15, 20 years back though, we did not see many women running on roads, but now the trend has changed. Women are running. Now, some 10, 15 years back, women started running, but they running or walking, whatever. But we used to think कि ये जो runners हैं, athletes, and they have to wear a typical kind of a cloth. You can run only in shorts, or you can run only in capris, only like that. You need a specific attire to run. But this Pinkathon says कि no, you don't need a specific attire to run. Milan Soman's mother is 80 plus and she runs in saris. So this concept also Pinkathon has brought, that you can run in whatever attire you are comfortable in. Women are very comfortable in doing their household chores in saris. So you can run also in saris, salwar suit, or whatever attire. You don't have to look a specific kind to run. So that is another initiative of Pinkathon. Then I'm into cycling also, and I'm into corporate training also. When I saw that ek bar bolne se, when you go to school, you get some opportunities, you go to some colleges and you speak. So in a crowd of 50, 100, 200, sometimes it is 400, 500 also. In a school, there are thousands of children also, students also. Even if you are able to motivate a single child, then that particular event is a success for you. So that is a wonderful thing. If your speech for 10, 15 minutes can motivate, and this is what actually children and women and these people are looking forward. They, as Richa also brought out this point, that they are capable of helping, but they don't know how. So if we can, एक वो हनुमान वाली बहुत अच्छी स्टोरी है हमारी कि वो हनुमान जो है अपनी शक्ति भूल जाता है एंड दे आर सिटिंग समुद्र के पास में बैठे हैं कि अब मैं कैसे उड़ के जाऊं, वो तो पूरा समुद्र का रास्ता है, हाउ विल वी गो एंड मीट सीता। तो है ना, उनको वो जागरूक किया था कि आपके अंदर वो शक्ति है, सिर्फ उसको सचेत करने की रिक्वायरमेंट है, उसको आपको दोबारा से याद करना है कि यस आई एम पावरफुल। तो दैट इज व्हाट एज अ ट्रेनर एंड अ मोटिवेटर वी डू। एवरीबडी इज केपेबल ऑफ अचीविंग वट एवर यू ड्रीम ऑफ। एक बार ड्रीम जो सोच लिया वो मुमकिन है। अगर इफ यू हैव ड्रीम्ड ऑफ समथिंग, अगर आपने गोल बना लिया, दैट इज वेरी मच पॉसिबल, बट देन यू नीड टू मोटिवेट पीपल to achieve that goal, and that thankfully we are doing it, and happily and successfully we are doing, and it's a wonderful feeling, it's a wonderful sense of achievement that when children call up कि मैम आपने तब मुझे ये बताया था तो I could do that, मैंने वो वाला एग्जाम फिल कर लिया और वैसा वाला मैंने इंटरव्यू दिया। women are saying कि I get inspired by you, because of you I have started running, or because of you मेरा health condition better हो गया। तो you get a great sense of achievement in this। God has been really kind, and as actually Richa, you are echoing my sentiments every time. God has been really, really kind. He has given me more than what I deserve. So I'm actually grateful to God for this.
So both of you really resonate and echo to each other. And it's, I think, everybody's words that all blessings are prayers. If we get blessings, they are wonderful and they are miracles. They work like miracles. So believe that these all blessings are prayers, and we all are in each other's prayers. Wonderful. Finally, coming to an end, I would like both of you to give a little chunk of advice to all the audience, might be listening you right now or afterwards. So what's your chunk of advice to a good relationship or a family life or any other, if you want to? Yes, Richa ma'am.
अब तो डॉक्टरेट ही कर ली, मुश्किल सवाल हो
No, 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 Richa, I'll just say one thing. वो स्कूल में होता था ना कि रोल नंबर 1 से हमेशा स्टार्ट करते थे। तो every time Richa is saying, and I'm so happy that I'm getting all my answers from Richa. It's so easy for me.
You go
Over
first
to you,
this
Richa.
time. No, you go first this time.
Okay. That's a good one, Richa. That's a good one. So I think we have a few children also here, no? Angela, I can see, है ना? So for children, I think I should speak for children because Richa is herself a great personality. I don't need to tell anything to Richa. So as I said, hello Angela, how are you?
Hello, ma'am. I am good. How are you?
I'm good. You are in which class, Angela?
5th A.
5th A. Good. And what do you want to become when you grow up?
Ma'am, doctor.
Oh, you want to become a doctor. Wonderful. So Angela, when I was a small girl, मेरे रूम में पीछे जैसे अभी पोस्टर लगा है, there used to be a poster. You can understand English, simple English you can understand, Angela, or I can change my language. There's no problem in that.
No. You can speak in English.
Wonderful, wonderful. So there was a poster which read, "Those who dream the most do the most." And I was a dreamer right from beginning, right from a childhood, Richa. When I was your age, I was a dreamer. But then as a dreamer, every day I had a different dream. Like in one day, I used to dream, like Angela ने बोला, that I wanted to be a doctor. मुझे वो white coat में मैं बहुत beautiful लगती थी, and I wanted to be a doctor and help the old, sick, and unhealthy people. No, another day, my dream used to change, Richa. So another day, I wanted to be an engineer. कभी लॉयर बनने का दिल करता था, वो कोर्ट में ऑर्डर ऑर्डर बोलने का दिल करता था. एवरी डे न्यू ड्रीम, एवरी डे वी यूज्ड टू थिंक ऑफ समथिंग एल्स. Till the time when I saw that program in our DD channel, Udan. You remember, Richa? Udan used to be that program. It was based on first IPS officer. So when I saw a woman in uniform, the impact of seeing the uniform woman, the impact of seeing a woman in uniform was so much that I really, really got inspired by that. And from that day onwards, my dream never changed. I wanted to be an officer only. And this I'm saying, I'm a colonel's daughter, but then at our times, lady officers were not there in the army. So it was a difficult dream to achieve. How will I achieve that? So, but it is said कि एक बार आप कुछ सोच लो तो पूरी की पूरी कायनात जो है उसको आपसे मिलाने की साजिश करती है. And this is a fact. At least in my life, this is a fact. Whatever you dream of, you will definitely and definitely get it. So this was my dream. ये ड्रीम किया, हमने सोचा yes I will join army, but I didn't know how. But luck would have it, हमारे सीनियर्स ने रास्ते बनाए and then court cases हुए and this that. Women entry, by the time I passed out, women entry had started. I passed out from my school and colleges, women entry had started. So good, I joined army. But what after that? एक एम बनाने के बाद, एक गोल पूरा करने के बाद क्या? What after that? You know, Angela, there are 4 types of people. There are many types of people, but what I'm talking is 4 types of people. First kind of people are mere wanderers. They just come in life. जो मम्मी ने बोला, जो पापा ने बोला, जो समझ आया, जितना समझ आया वो काम किया, and then they pass. है ना, लाइफ से निकल जाते हैं. They are just wanderers. उन्हें नहीं मालूम लाइफ में क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, क्या है. They don't know. So they are the wanderers. There are second set of people who are followers, who listen to their parents, who listen to their friends, who listen to the society, और जो जिसने बताया वो करते चले जाते हैं. And it's okay to be a follower. There is nothing wrong to be a follower. कई बार मेरा सपना है कि मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है, but क्योंकि मम्मी ने बोला कि नहीं डॉक्टर नहीं इंजीनियर बनना है, मम्मी की बात मान के हम इंजीनियर बन गए, which is good, bad, ugly. We can discuss on that. But then they are followers. There are few type of people who have a vision. Who can see that this is my goal. Like Angela is saying today that I want to be a doctor. So Angela, you have a vision. You can visualize yourself in a white coat, right, Angela? Right, Angela?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have a vision. So these people have a vision. They work hard. They struggle so much and they achieve their goal. Ultimately, they achieve their goal in life. They are called the achievers. Most of us are achievers, the doctors, the engineers, the scientists, the army officers, whatever. Most of us are achievers. Now there is fourth category of people who have a vision, who work hard to achieve their goal. They achieve it, they become achievers, and then they inspire others to see that dream and fulfill their goal. So those people are the leaders. We must strive hard in life to reach there. We must strive hard to reach there. In your life, even if you are able to inspire one person, you have lived your life successfully. That is very, very important. So we should climb that ladder slowly, from wanderers to become followers. Following is also very important, followers and achievers. But after becoming achiever, all the scientists are not the leaders. All the doctors are not the leaders. Leaders are those people who inspire you to dream more, do more, and achieve more. So I wish you all the best, and I wish that you become not only achiever, but a leader.
Thanks,
Thank
ma'am.
All the best, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
So Captain Manjula, very enriching. And I wish every child should listen these words. And Angela, since you have heard, and all other, I think Digvijay, Rana, and one more
Ranvijay.
is
Ranvijay Rana.
Ranvijay.
Yeah.
They are here and they will be doing the same, what ma'am has said, and inspire themselves as well as others. So I would like to hear from these two, Digvijay Singh Rana and Ranvijay Singh Rana. Since you are here and your mother is a role model, so I would like to hear from you. Anything which you do not like, liking is okay every time. Don't be afraid of. Today she is a guest here, so don't be afraid of. She will not be saying anything. You can openly speak. Digvijay Singh Rana, may I have you here? Can we hear from you, Digvijay Singh Rana and Ranvijay Singh Rana?
Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Good morning, ma'am. Morning, Richa.
Very
ma'am.
good morning.
Everybody here. Ma'am, there's no negative drawbacks as such. I mean, I came home one day, and this was, I believe, last week or 4 days ago. I came home and my mother had a session. That's what we call it. She has sessions almost every week, 3 or 4 times a week sometimes. So we're supposed to keep quiet, stay in our room, and not create a lot of hassle or anything. I came home and I realized that it's not just the session. It's she's on the news having an interview with NDTV, and I mean it's a matter of pride. I mean, my mother is there on national TV talking about news and being asked. She's a security consultant for the NDTV for that interview itself. So I mean, it's really a great thing to see my mom succeed like that, and yeah, I'm really proud of her.
That's wonderful. Actually, it's not a
Thank you,
matter of
Ranvijay.
Yes.
it's
Very
not a
well.
matter of
Very
negativity or positivity. But the thing is, I would like to listen from you as a child, because you know, mothers are mothers. They are always positive, I believe. Even in their scolding, there is love. So sometimes they might be very strict, but yes, we can find their love. Might not that time, but little later. But you have found that time also. It's wonderful and very inspirational. And coming to now the younger one, Digvijay Singh. In which class are you, Digvijay?
Ma'am, I'm in 8th.
8th standard. So what do you like? Like today you were there in a session. What do you like the most from this session?
Ma'am, well, basically, everyone is trying to inspire someone or the other over here. That's the main thing I like about it. And well, it's not really anything in particular. I just like the
Anything
whole
which
session.
is
That's it.
anything which is very close to your heart and you want to share with us?
The only thing close to my heart would be my mother, and guess I've already heard from her.
So she and her lessons and her learnings, they are very close to your heart. And we believe that you must be what you are, but yes, a good human as your mother is. And what is she inspiring in every individual? Thank you, Digvijay Singh Rana
Thank you,
and
ma'am.
Ranvijay Singh Rana, for all your inputs and insights. Thank you. So, Richa ma'am, now I think you're ready.
I'm always
Your
ready.
smile. Yes, your smile tells that, right, ma'am?
Okay, so I'll just add on to what you said, and you talked about relationships. So definitely, Angela, Ranvijay, Digvijay, कई बार अब मैं आपकी रिलेशनशिप की बात करूंगी अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ या अपने टीचर्स के साथ. So follow a 3-step process. And before I go on, let me also tell you that as parents, we can also be wrong. There are numerous occasions when I'm wrong, because हमें भी parenting नहीं आती है, हमें parenting आप लोग सिखा रहे हो. And whenever I'm wrong, I go back and I apologize to Fida that I was wrong, I was unreasonable. So that is one thing. Always remember कि हम भी गलत होंगे, क्योंकि parenting तो आप सिखा रहे हो, हमें नहीं आती थी. We didn't have any other practice children जिन पे हमने practice करके parenting सीख ली हो. So one thing is we can be wrong. So relationship में बहुत important है जब आपको लगता है कि, और आप दोनों 8th, one is in 8th, the elder one must be older to him. So अब आप लोग भी ग्रो अप कर रहे हो, वी आर ऑलवेज ओपन कि आप हमें पॉइंट आउट करो दैट मम्मी आई डिडंट लाइक दिस और आई डिड नॉट अप्रिशिएट इट. अदर देन दैट, रिलेशनशिप में 3 स्टेप प्रोसेस फॉलो करने चाहिए. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, किसी भी रिलेशनशिप में कई इमोशंस आ सकते हैं. गुस्सा आ सकता है, मम्मी ने ऐसे क्यों बोला. फ्रस्ट्रेशन आ सकता है कि टीचर हमेशा चांस किसी और को देती है, मुझे चांस नहीं देती, जबकि एवरी टाइम आई पुट अप माय हैंड. ठीक है, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है कि जब भी आप इस इमोशन को फील करो, हालांकि आप लोग बहुत छोटे हो और एंजेला तो बहुत ही छोटी है, बट इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू हु आर ग्रोइंग अप, व्हेनेवर यू फील दैट इमोशन, जो एक, हालांकि कोई भी इमोशन नेगेटिव नहीं होता है, हर इमोशन जरूरी होता है हमारे लिए, बट हाउएवर हैविंग सेड दैट, जब आप ऐसा इमोशन फील करते हो, एंगर, फ्रस्ट्रेशन, एनी इमोशन जो आपको तकलीफ दे रहा है, सी सी इट मतलब उसमें कूदो मत. जैसे रिवर है, एक तो हम रिवर को देख रहे हैं और एक हम रिवर में कूद जाते हैं, तो गुस्से में और गुस्सा आएगा. सो जस्ट सी द रिवर, लुक एट द इमोशन. सेकेंडली, फॉरगिव योर ओन सेल्फ फॉर फीलिंग दैट इमोशन. कई बार ऐसा होता है हम किसी को देख के जेलस फील करते हैं और बाद में हम अपने आप को बोलते हैं हम क्यों जेलस फील कर रहे थे. दैट्स ओके. हम ह्यूमन बीइंग्स हैं, वी आर नॉट गॉड. सो फॉरगिव योरसेल्फ फॉर फीलिंग दैट इमोशन. एंड स्टेप नंबर 3, रिप्लेस इट विद अ पॉजिटिव इमोशन. एंड दैट इज व्हाट चंचल मैम सेड कि मम्मी जब गुस्सा कर रही है तो प्यार है कहीं ना कहीं. These are 3 things. And now for Angela, Digvijay and Ranvijay, one thing that you should do, and why only them, you know, Fatma ma'am, Chanchal ma'am, Richa, Manjula ma'am, everyone at every stage of your life, have a vision board. Always have a vision board. Make a board, either put it on your laptop if you use the laptop often, या उसको हाथ से draw करके put it at the this thing of, because जब जैसे जैसे लोग बड़े होते जाते हैं ये नहीं होता कि विजन नहीं होता. हर जने का विजन है. जिस दिन विजन खत्म हम खत्म. एंड थर्ड थिंग, ऑलवेज बी अ लर्नर. ऑलवेज बी अ लर्नर. मैं गुरुद्वारे गई थी गुरपुरब पे, एंड देयर वाज दिस 88 लेडी जो मेरे पास बैठी हुई थी. सो इट वाज वेरी हॉट. सो आई रिक्वेस्टेड माय हस्बैंड कि हम सबके लिए पानी ले आओ, आंटी के लिए भी ले आओ. सो व्हेन आई गेव इट टू हर, वी स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग, एंड शी टोल्ड मी दिस, एंड दिस वाज many years back. शी सेड, बेटा मैंने तो एक ही चीज, जबकि वो एकदम हाउसवाइफ थी, कुछ ऐसा वो नहीं थी, तो शी सेड, बेटा मैं तो एक ही चीज सोचती हूँ कि रोज कुछ नया सीखना चाहिए. तो मेरे मन में एक बात आई, एंड विच वाज नॉट अ गुड इमोशन, बट आई वाज मच यंगर दैट टाइम. मैंने उनकी प्रोफाइल देख के सोचा ये क्या सीखती होंगी. अगेन यू नो, एंड दिस इज अ लर्निंग फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस, दैट डोंट बी जजमेंटल. तो मैंने मन में सोचा ये क्या सीखती होंगी. तो मैंने पूछा, मैंने कहा अच्छा आंटी आप रोज क्या सीखते हो. बोलती, देख आज मैंने सोचा है मुझे क्रोशिया में ये स्टेप सीखना है. It was so beautiful, so powerful. And that is my advice to you children and to all of us. Never stop learning.
Absolutely.
So have a vision board, never stop learning. And when you get an emotion you are not comfortable with, usko evaluate karo. Yes, Angela, thank you, beta. Acknowledge your thumbs up. And replace it with a positive emotion. क्योंकि ये relationship से बहुत important है. और relationship, आज आप 3rd standard में हो Angela, but relationship तो develop करनी है ना, फ्रेंड्स के साथ, पेरेंट्स के साथ. हर बार जब गुस्सा आएगा झगड़ा कर लोगे तो क्या करोगे. या सो दिस इज माय टेक ऑन रिलेशनशिप.
Lovely inputs here by you, Richa ma'am. And seriously, these are the things which everybody should learn and should implement for a better version of life.
For a better version of it. Beautiful.
Because every tomorrow is today. I believe every tomorrow is today, and we begin with a new hope and new dawn. Before again coming to a felicitation round, there are 3-4 only children here. So Angela, anything you want to ask or you want to share? Angela, 1 minute time with you. You want to ask or you want to share? Okay. And Fatima ma'am, Fatima, is there anything in your mind you want to ask or you want to share?
Both are super. Both are inspiration for all of us, and really they are doing wonders, ma'am. And I'm also very thankful to you, ma'am, giving such opportunity to me to listen to you, to participate in your events also. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Fatima. And she's a very regular listener and speaker as well. Fatima Sogra, ma'am. She's also a teacher, a trainer, and very keen participant as a listener. This is the beauty of her. She is very unique person, very helpful, very amiable. I found her in most of the sessions. And I think listening is the first task which keeps on giving opportunity to learn. As both ma'am has said, constant learning. And that if we talk about constant learning, listening is the foremost part of it. When we learn to listen, we learn to write, we learn to read, right? So that is great. Now coming to our felicitation today for both of our guests, I would first like to thank both of you and heartiest thanks to God for assembling us all together. So here we present a token of love to our guest of honor, Miss Richa Mahendra, a certificate which is
Thank you.
proudly presented by 3H Companion for her valuable time and virtuosity at Unique You at the rate Kuch Baatein Zindagi Ki. Thank you for being with us. We are humbly honored.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, I would like Richa ma'am to felicitate Captain Manjula Katot. Richa ma'am, over to you.
Thank you so much, Captain Katoch. It was so inspiring to listen to you. And especially one thing that has really stayed with me is what you said about the army. You know, that they would have done what you're, and everything you said, you know, and the beautiful example you created for Angela, that follower hona bhi zaruri hai, achiever hona bhi zaruri hai, wanderer bhi ho sakta hai kabhi life mein, but it is important to be a leader. I am so humbled to be in the same room as you. So thank you so very much.
Honor is all mine, Richa. Honor is actually all mine.
So heartiest congratulations, Captain Manjula and Ma'am Richa. Both of you are very inspiring. I wish that we listen to you more and more, but you know that we need to manage time, and being with time, being with wonderful smile is always a pleasure, and hopefully we'll be meeting again and again. So looking forward for that, and thanking each one of the participants, all our guests, 3H team for making this wonderful event a success. I would say now, Hare Krishna and goodbye to each and everyone. Happy Raksha Bandhan once again.
Thank you.
Thank you
Happy
so much.
Raksha Bandhan to
God
all.
bless us all. Take care.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.